Okay, I think that works. I think that works. Alright guys, turn to page 27 in your books. Turn to page 27 in your books, okay? Today we're going over, it's basically long division, alright? So we're going to start out with this first problem on the board, okay? Everyone pay attention. Okay, we're going to start out with this problem on the board. It looks crazy, right? But it's not. You take it one step at a time, it's pretty easy, okay? And in division, and when we're doing long division like this, it takes a little bit of trial and error, okay? So 4,246, it can't go into 1, obviously, right? Can't go into 13, can't go into 137, it can't go into 1,300, so what do we got to do? It goes into 13,000 right here, okay? These 5 numbers. So what do you think? What do you think 4,246 going to 13,000? What do you think that is? Cameron? What do you think? 3? Let's try it. Let's try it. Okay? It's trial and error. So now you just gotta multiply it, okay? So 3, 18, 12, 13, 7, 12. Does that work? 12,738, right? So you put the 3 up here, right there. Right? And then you come down here. Right? And that's what you're left with. You're left with 1,061. Does 4,000 go into 1,000? No. So you got to bring it down. Bring down the 5. Okay? Yeah, bring down the 5, okay? 4,000 into 10,000. How many times do you think that's going to go in? Yeah? 2 times, right? But you got to work it out, right? So let's go. Let's all go in the same place, actually. Right? So 4,246 times 2. 12, 9, 4, 8, right? Put the 2 up here. You go 8,492. Subtract. Carry over. Okay, you're left with 2,123. Is 4,000 going to go into 2,000? No. Bring down the 0 down here. Okay, so 21,000. 4,000 and 21,000. How many times do you think that's going to go in? 5. Okay, let's work it out. Let's work it out. Right? So 5, 30, 3, 10, 12, 21. Look at that. Perfect. How did they know? So it's 5. So that's the answer right there. That's the practice problem that we just did, okay? Is that hard? It's just a lot of trial and error, and you got to take it one step at a time, because this, it's the same problem as if you were doing like 3 into, I don't know, 3 into 300, right? It's the same thing, but it's just bigger numbers. That's it, okay? Okay, so let's go to number 1 on the practice, okay? Let's go to number 1 on the practice, all right? So we got, what is that, 9,325? 9,325 into what? 4,308,150, okay? Alright, what do you guys think? 9,325, can that go into 4? No. 43? No. 430? 4,008? No. So we're going to have to try 43,000 right here. We're going to have to try these numbers right here, okay? So 9,325. How many times do you think that goes into 43,000? Yeah? Let's try 2. Let's try 2. We'll try 2. Okay. 325 times 2. 18. We get 18. 18,000. It can go in more, right? It can go in more. So it's not 2. Okay. What do you think? Let's try 4. Let's try 4. Okay. We get 37,300. 37,300. Is that gonna work? That is gonna work. That is gonna work. 37,300. Okay. Okay, there you go. You're left with 5,781. So that one works. So we got 4 up here, okay? Okay. 9,000 into 5,000 doesn't work, right? No, bring down the 5. Now you got 57. So we got 9,000 into 57,000. What do you think? 6. Let's try 6. Let's try 6. Try 6, okay. We get 55,950. That works, right? It works. Perfect. Okay, 55,950. Okay. Okay, so we're left with 1865. Which one? Oh, right here? Yeah. You're right. 6, okay. Left with 1800 about. 1800. Bring down the 0, right? Now we got 18,000. What do you think? 9,000 and 18,000, guys? Yeah? 2, okay. Let's work it out. Five, 6. Look at that. Perfect. How did they know? Okay. 0, 2. So this is your answer. 462. Yeah?
I need a
Pencil? You don't have a pencil? Does anyone have a pencil you can let them borrow? Yeah. Okay. Okay, good. Pretty easy, right? It looks hard, right? But it's pretty easy. Okay? Let's go to let's go to letter B. Let's go to letter B, okay? I'm gonna have you guys kind of do this the whole time. Okay, ready? We'll go step by step. You guys can lead me. I want to make sure you guys got it. Okay? 1,835. 2, 7, 9, 4. What's that? 630. Okay. What do you guys think? What's the first step? You want to multiply it by 5? Okay. So 4,835. It doesn't go into 2, obviously. It doesn't go to 27. It doesn't go into 279. It doesn't go into 2,794. So you gotta try and get it into 27,000 right here. These numbers. Okay. So 4,000 into that. You said what? 5. Okay. So let's go multiply it just to check. Okay. 24,175. That works, right? 24,175. Now you divide. Let me get rid of this. Okay, now you, or not divide, you subtract. Okay. You're left with 3,771, okay? Does this go into that? No. What do you got to do? Bring down the 6. Okay. Now you got 37,000. 4,835 into 37,000. What do you guys think? What do you think here? Cameron? When you do this to help with trial and error, look at the first number right here. Look at this number and look at this number, 37. Look at 4 and look at 37. That'll help you out.
Is it supposed to be the 3 to bring down?
Oh, it is, huh? Yeah, it is right. Yeah. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
Okay, so what do you think? Look at the 4 and look at the 37. 7. Let's try 7, okay? Ready? Times 7. 658. 28. 33. Alright. We get 33,845. Does that work? Yes, that does work. Okay. Let's go 8, 6. A lot of carrying over. 3. 3,868. Okay. Does that go into this? Does this go into this? No, it doesn't. So you got to bring down the 0, okay? Make sure you bring down the 0. Okay? Now you got 38,000. 4,835 into 38,000. Okay? Yeah? I wouldn't say 9. So look, we just noticed, I haven't even been writing the top on 5, 7. We just saw that multiplying this by 7 gave us 33,000, right? So what would you think is next?
6.
Not 6. 6 would give us less than this, and we need more. 8, okay? 8. So let's multiply it out, see if it works. Okay. 40, 8, 6, 38. Look at that. Perfect again. 80. Okay, so that's your answer, 578. Okay. Now I want you to work out the letter. I want you to do letter C on your own. I want you to do letter C on your own, okay? Do letter C on your own. Do letter C on your own. You got it. With what? Take it one step at a time. Come on. Letter C. Come on. Start with step 1. Okay, first step, you're on this one, you're multiplying 1,302 into 1,306,698. So 1,302 or 1,302 doesn't go into 1, doesn't go into 3, doesn't go into 130. So and it doesn't go into 1,300. So you're gonna go. For the first one, it's going to be 1,302 into 13,000. 13,006. Okay? And it's trial and error. Trial and error. Come on. If you need to, use your whiteboards. You guys all have whiteboards, right? Use your whiteboards. That might be easier. Yeah, go get it. If you need you're gonna need your whiteboards for this probably. So, yes, click.
I don't need whiteboard. I can do where
Yeah. So 13 and 2, it doesn't go into 13 or 1, right? Doesn't go into 13, doesn't go into 130, doesn't even go into 1300. So you got to start here. Just kind of block this out. Just 1302 into 13,000. Okay? So, and that's a pretty small number, so you know it's going to be, it's only going to be from 1 to 9. Those are your options, 1 to 9. So it's not going to be 1, obviously. It's not going to be 2, 3, 4, 5, because those are still small numbers. It's going to go higher. I would try 9. Try 9, but so multiply 302 by 9. There you go. Okay. Where's this going? Right, so what'd you get? 11,000? 11,000, so that's gonna work. So put it right there. There you go, and then you just subtract that. There you go. Come on, guys, you got this. You finished? Yep. Yeah.
Calculate every multiplication I could, and all I got was this to go in that, but it's not.
We'll do the problem on the board. Did you get an answer? Yeah. Okay, perfect. Alright, we're gonna do this on the board, alright? Do this on the board. 1,302 into 1, can't happen. Into 3, no. Into this one, no. 130, no. 1,300, no. Okay, so it's gonna go into 13,000, okay? Let's go trial and error. Okay, because it's 1,302 and you're going to 13,000, it's going to be a high number. It's going to be 1 through 9. Okay, and it's going to be a high number, yeah? What did you say? Oh, okay. Okay, hold on. Yeah?
9.
Yeah, it's going to be it's going to be a high number cuz so it's going to be, let's try, I would go 8 or 9, but let's try 9. Okay? Okay, you get 11,718, right? That works. Okay. Okay, so 9. Oh man, look at all this. Okay, let's go 8, 8, 2, 1. Did I do that right? I did. Okay. Okay. Okay, 1,302. Does that go into 1,288? No, you got to bring this down. Okay, you got to bring the 9 down. Okay, now you got 12,889. Okay, now based off of our last estimate right here, we know 9 multiplied by 1,302 equals 11,000, right? So we can do that again. Okay, that works out perfect. Look. Put the 9 there, we don't even have to multiply it because we know the answer. 11,718. Okay? Right? And then bring down the 8 right here. We don't have to multiply it again, right? Because look, it's the same answer. So we know it's 9 again. Okay? $9.99, that's it. Who got that answer? Who got $9.99? Okay, good. Okay. Make it easy on yourself. You don't have to keep multiplying. You don't have to keep checking it over and over. Especially if it's $9.99, it's the same. It's right here. Same answer. Same answer. Same answer. Okay, you don't have to keep checking it. You already know it once, okay? Alright, good. Let's go to section 2, letter A, the word problem, okay? Probably the biggest cattle drive on the Chisholm Trail was in 1871 when 5,000 cowboys and 700,000 cows went to Abilene, Kansas from Texas. How many cows per cowboy were there? What are we going to do? How do we find it? We got to divide. Divide what?
5,000 into 700,000.
Good. 5,000 into 700,000, right? That's how we find out how many cows per cowboy, okay? 5,000 into 7, not going to work, right? Into 70, not going to work. 700, not going to work. 7,000, that's going to work, right? How many times does 5,000 go into 7,000? 1. Okay? You don't even need to work that out, okay? You guys should know that. Okay? So you get 2,000 left. Bring down the 0. 20,000, right? 5,000 into 20,000. 4. Yeah, 4, okay? 5, just look at the numbers. Just because it's 20,000, let me look at the numbers. 5 into 20, right? 4. You get 20,000, which is 0. You got to bring down the other 0, though. You got to bring down the other 0. And what do you get up here? You got to put the 0, okay? So it's 140 cows per cowboy. That's the answer. It's pretty easy, guys. Pretty easy, okay? Okay, how about this one? This is letter B. Let's go letter B. This one's easy. In New York City, the famous Madison Square Garden has a main arena which can seat 20,000 people. The Felt Forum, a smaller arena, seats 5,000 people. How many times as many people can Madison Square Garden seat than Felt Forum? Yeah? Divide, yep. What are you going to divide? Yep, go ahead. Good, and we don't even need to work that out. What is that?
40.
Not 40. 4. 4. 4. Okay, 4 times as many. That's the answer. 5,000 into 20,000 is 4. Okay. Okay, let's go to section 3. Let's go to section 3. Taking average. Taking the average. You guys know how to do that? You guys learn how to do that? No? Okay.
Yeah.
You guys have? Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Alright guys, for averaging, right? For averaging, let's go to letter A. We're gonna take the average of that. Someone read me the numbers. Okay. Okay, a little too fast.
95, 98.
Okay. No more.
It's 296.
Okay, got it. Alright. Alright, pretty simple. What are we gonna do first, guys? Add all these numbers together, right? Go ahead, do it. You got your whiteboards, go ahead. Okay. Okay. What'd you guys get? Good. 576, right? 576. Okay. So now what do you got to do? How many numbers are there? There's 6 numbers. So you divide 6 into 576. 6, 576. All right. This is simple division, okay? 9 into 54. 57. Okay. 96 is your average, okay? So we all know how to take an average or get an average, okay? You add all the numbers up, okay? And then you divide it by how many numbers there are, okay? So here there's 6 numbers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add them all up, divide by 6. You got it? Do you guys work out letter B? Letter B. Same thing. Letter B. How many numbers are there in letter B? 5. Okay, so whatever number you get from adding them all, you're going to divide by 5. Okay? Yes. Okay. Go ahead, work it out. I'll give you some time. Come on, you guys got it. Actually, okay, guys. What did you get when you added them all together?
347. No. 3,475.
Hold on, one at a time, one at a time. Hold on. No, you're wrong too. You guys are all wrong. Come on. When you add them all together, guys, lower it down. Guys, lower it down. Look, when you add it together, 784. Okay, let's add it together, right? 13, 20, 25, okay? You got 17, 22, 27, 35, 37, okay? 12, 18, 32, 35, okay? That should have you should have got 3,575. Good. You divide 5 into 3,575. What do you get? 3 into 35?
16.
7. 35. Okay. Bring down the 7. 5 into 7, 1. Bring down the other one. 5 into 25. 5. 715, guys. Letter B is 715. Some of you guys struggle with that. I heard all kinds of numbers. Okay. Okay, let's go to section 4. Let's go to section 4, okay? Section 4. We did these the last 2 days, okay? So letter A, 48 feet is equal to how many yards? Okay, you're going from what? Something bigger? You're going from something smaller to bigger, right? So what are you going to do? Divide. You're going to divide. Good. Okay, how many feet are in a yard? 3. So you're going to divide 48 divided by 3, which is? Yeah? 16. So 48 feet is equal to 16 yards. Good.
I said that.
Good. Okay. Letter B. Letter B. Okay, you're going from weeks to days. You're going from bigger to smaller. What are you going to do? Multiply. Good. How many days are in a week? 7. So you're going to multiply 240 by 7. Okay, work it out. 240 times 7. Okay. Guys, make sure you're raising your hands. Okay. Good. Good. The answer is 1,680 days, okay? 1,680 days. Good.
Thank you.
Guys, no talking anymore, okay? Good. Okay, letter C. Letter C. 24 quarts is equal to how many pecks? Okay, what are you going to do?
Divide.
Smaller to bigger. So you're going to divide. Good. How many pecks are in a quart? 8. So 24 divided by 8?
It's 3.
3. Good.
Got that.
Okay, guys, no more talking. Seriously. No more. No. Stop. Okay. Let's go. Letter D. Letter D. Okay. 6 hectometers is equal to how many meters? Okay. What are you going to do here? Going from hecto to unit. You're going from that to unit. Good. Yeah. Gavin got it. 600. Okay. 6 hectometers is equal to 600 meters. Good. Okay. For anyone on the live stream, that is the end of our lesson. So I'm going to end it here. Okay. There is no homework. There is a quiz tomorrow, though. So make sure you study for the quiz tomorrow. No homework today. Okay.